5 minutes. Did you time it?
What time is it now?
8:25. So it's been on at 8:20. So it's 9 o'clock. Hi, I'm Eric. Welcome to Home-Style&Botanicals cast iron campfire restoration video, where we are using the fire method to restore our cast iron cookware. This video is not for children. If you try this method, please be safe and enjoy.
Put it directly on the fire. Season it up. Get that rust off. Take your sleeve. So tonight we are burning our cast irons on the open campfire. Bringing them back to life. This is one cast iron pot that I got from the resale shop. And, well, no, not from the resale shop, from the yard sale. And I do have one that might still go out tonight that was from the resale shop. The skillet was my mother's and it had some rust and buildup on it. And this one was just beyond repair. I'll put a picture on the screen of it and how it looked. But this is one method that you can use to restore and remove rust from the cast iron and also build up. So you have to let it stay directly on the fire. We'll probably do 45 minutes to an hour and see where we are from there. But you can repeat this process as many times as necessary because cast iron is lifetime. I won't keep putting my finger in the screen. Sorry about that, viewers. Yeah, like I said, cast iron is lifetime. And again, you can repeat this process as many times as necessary. Hot, 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 hot. So let me zoom in a little bit. So again, the skillet is my mother's. The skillet, well, was my mother's. I inherited it. And the Dutch oven came from the yard sale for either 12 or 15 bucks. I can't remember. So we were just out.
Burn.
Yeah. We have some more that need to go on the fire, but for now, this is more than enough for us because we're a novice and we really don't know exactly what we're doing. So yeah, we're just trying our hand and doing what we were told and what we saw also on YouTube or from other videos. Yeah, 45 minutes and counting.
Pretty fire too. Wow.
It is pretty. Tankersley, step back, big girl, step back. She might look a little close, but she's not.
No, she knows where not to go.
Oh yeah, she's not gonna go too close. I think I might be more in danger than she is. Yeah, so I'm super excited to see how they turn out because the first seasoning on, be careful baby, the first seasoning on the Dutch oven, the top was very sticky and icky and the bottom was pretty decent, but it was really bad off. Like the rust was basically orange, deep orange. I didn't know a lot of history about the Dutch oven because again, it was from a yard sale and it was outside, so I'm sure it took a beating. I don't know how old it is. It is what you would consider to be like an Asian piece of cookware because it is stamped with the Taiwan stamp on it. And yeah, so those pieces are Asian pieces of cookware. We did go to Lodge store and we could purchase a handle because it didn't come with the handle, of course, at the yard sale. And the handle, how much was that handle?
The handle was $4.89.
For $4.89.
Tripod is $40.
Yeah, and a tripod to hang it over like a campfire like this was 45 bucks.
It's 50 bucks for everything.
50 bucks for everything.
Yeah, that's all. I'm going to get that.
Yeah. Yep. So that was real cool. So we can make like campfire meals and like everything, beans, stew, what else,
anything
like
that you can simmer, like
simmer,
you know what I'm
yeah.
saying? I'll even do some mac and cheese in it.
Yeah, yeah.
Truth be told,
Or like we could do sausage and onions in the aluminum foil, potatoes and onions. Any kind of campfire meals, yeah. So we're super excited.
You can put that, all the roast in there.
Oh yeah, pot roast. Roasting potatoes. So I think I see it, like, you guys can't see it because it's really dark out, but it was kind of grayish, but I think I see it turning back like black, super black. And I'll tell you, I know this is going to be hot because I tried it when I seasoned the first time in our oven on like 450 to 500. And you guys, oh my goodness, this thing was so super hot. It kind of burnt the pot holder. Kind of burnt, well, you can't see it, but kind of burnt the pot holder. Yeah, I think it's a good fire going, y'all. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and we appreciate you for watching. We probably should have did this as a live stream. Maybe next time we will. We appreciate you for watching. This is Carla and my husband is Eric, and we are here on Home-Style&Botanicals, doing home-style, homesteading kind of things. Burn it up. Yeah, I think it's doing real good. Yeah, I can see the skillet burning off. It really needed to get a lot of that rust and build off the skillet.
Oh, see how the mama skillet won't come off, right?
Yeah, I should have got that one.
Carbon build up, just turning white.
Yep.
The mama skillet turning white.
Because that buildup is coming off.
Yeah, let these things cool for a long time.
Yeah, for a long time. You can't touch these things. They might have to sit there overnight.
Yeah, that's what
I wouldn't touch. We're not touching them. Yeah.
Yeah, let this go.
Yeah.
The longer the better.
We will. Yes. The longer the better, and also, we're just not trying to get third, not even third or fourth. Like, you probably could die. Like, we do not recommend this. Don't try this at home, y'all. Disclaimer. So yeah, I see all that build up, and I'll put on the screen the name of the build up that this is called. I can't really remember right offhand.
Carbon.
Carbon?
Carbon? Some kind of carbon?
Some kind of carbon?
I don't know.
Yeah, but I see it coming off there. If you can see it there. Yep.
It's definitely turning. Like, hopefully we're not damaging it. We're not damaging it.
I don't think so. These things last a lifetime. The lady said put it right on the fire.
Yeah.
When we went to Lodge. But I also saw it before when I was trying to first like refurbish this one here.
Seen somebody do it?
Probably not to this degree, but yeah. So yeah, we just wanted to share. Sit on the stone. Yeah, we just wanted to share our process, and there'll be more videos like this because we do have more cast iron that needs to probably be reseasoned and just get a little fire on it. But I'm super happy about the Dutch oven. Let's see what we're doing.
I'm trying to see if that turn it over or just let it be.
I say just let it be. I mean, because it's getting fire all around it. You know, through the inside and on the top. You are not the star of the show, Tanker Sleep. Tanker Sleep! What's going on, girl? That will be our little puppy making her cameo appearance onto the video. Tankersley. It's okay, girl. Yep. It's doing really well. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave us some comments. Share your thoughts. And yeah, we're super excited. If you want to know more about the particular pieces that we have, just let us know in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer the questions that you may have. And yeah, we're just going to enjoy the night evening by the campfire. Actually, this isn't really considered like a campfire, right, baby? What kind of fire would this be? Not a campfire, right? Good night, Tankersley. Tankersley's going up for the night while we just work on these restoration pieces. Okay, so good morning. This is the next day and the aftermath. They are touchable. And yeah, so we're just gonna give them a good cleaning and it's good to go. Good to go. This one's still kind of warm. I can feel that. All right, y'all, so let's give them a good cleaning. So I want to make mention that in the process of just cleaning off the skillet, I did go ahead and scrub it with the scouring pad, a copper coated scrubber. And I had to wipe it out really good. And this is some of the residue. I used olive oil and threw it into the oven on 450 so it can get its first seasoning, and I will come back and show you the process afterwards. Okay, so we've seasoned twice in the oven, made sure they were cleaned and dry, and this is the outcome. And I believe that this Dutch oven turned out way better than the first time I cleaned and seasoned it. Again, this particular Dutch oven came from a yard sale. If you haven't had a chance to check out my first video, please check that video out, where I used vinegar bath, baking soda, and for the top I used some oven cleaner, and they both turned out differently. I felt like, which one? One of them was more stickier than the other one after the first process. So, but yeah, this was my mother's. It had all kinds of build up on it and around it, even on the handle, on the other side of the handle. But as you can see, and I should have did a better job of showing you guys that last night. before we put them on the fire. I should have shown you more in the daylight, but we kind of did it on a whim. Really wasn't expecting to even create a video, but yeah, so there you have it. So no buildup at all. And the buildup was growing all around the handle, all down here. So the fire method really works well, to me, in my opinion, way better than the vinegar and baking soda. Although I did enjoy that process as well. But for that buildup, the fire works really well. I think it was like carbon buildup. This just was fully rusted out. And this is the marking on the Dutch oven, on the bottom of the Dutch oven. And here is the top, the marking on the top of the Dutch oven. Top. And this is the inside of the Dutch oven, and already it's still hot, but it's not too hot to touch. But I feel like it's a little tacky and sticky, so it might need a little bit more work. I don't know if you can see like those little, like on this side it's a little bit more sticky than this side here. So yeah, the pot may need a little bit more work and a little bit more love, but the top is doing really well. It's not as sticky. I feel a little bit of, just a little bit, but here I definitely can feel that tacky, sticky kind of feeling on the inside. And again, this was my mother's skillet, cast iron skillet. I inherited it when she passed away. God rest her soul. And then this Dutch oven I found at a yard sale for about 12, maybe 15 bucks. I think it was 12 bucks. It's still really hot. And it's doing well. It was fully rusted out, very rusted. I don't know how long it was out in the elements, but it was outside and it was orange. The rust in it was so orange. I'll pop a picture in so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And I don't know how old the pot is or when it was made. I don't have any information on it other than that it came from the yard sale. And yeah, so I have been trying to refurbish it and restore it and bring it back to life the best that I can. It has a little bit of discoloration here, but that was even there before it went into the fire. I don't know if you're picking that up. Okay, maybe that's a better angle there so you can see that. Just a little bit of discoloration. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to end this video here. This has been a blast, just throwing these cast irons directly into the fire and trying that process to restore them, remove rust and carbon buildup. I believe that's what they call it. And yeah, so give us a big old thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to the channel, tap. That way you get notified every time we post here on this channel. Leave us a comment below on our process and what you think. And yeah, we will see you in our next video. Thanks so much for watching. This is Carla and my husband is Eric for Home-Style&Botanicals. Bye.